Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So Madam Glam are launching their new neon summer collection, and they sent me 3 of the 5 colors that they have. And I really do love this company, so like I'm so grateful that they continue to send me stuff. And like these gel polishes are like so smooth, like they feel so expensive, but the price is so reasonable. So let's just get into this. This is how the bottle looks, and I love how it shows the color you're gonna get at the top. And these gel polishes are 2-in-1 free formula. They are cruelty free and vegan, so that's so good to use, so that you know that there are no harmful chemicals and stuff in these gel polishes, and they are so safe to use. So these 2 colors here are some repeat colors that they sent me in the previous package they sent. I'm not sure why they sent these again when they could have just sent 2 more from their summer neon collection so I could have more colors to show you, but that's just what they sent, and still I'm so grateful. So these 3 are 3 of the 6 from their new summer neon collection, and I'm going to get into all of these colors, show you up close the consistency, and swatch all of these colors. So this first color here is a beautiful purple, and I love the consistency of these. They go on super smooth, and I love the coverage as well. This color is called Because I Said So. So the next color I'm going to swatch is called Fresh Water, and this is just a pretty baby blue. I love this color so much, like it's just so perfect. So going into the colors from the new summer collection, this first color is a beautiful bright neon color, and this is called Limoncello. I love this one so much because it is just so bright, which is perfect for the summertime. The next color we have is this beautiful blue. This is my favorite color from the 3 they sent, and this is called Take Me to Mykonos. So finally, the last color is just a red, and this is a bright red actually. It's called Energize Your Day, and I don't have any bright reds like this, so I'm so happy to be adding a color like this to my collection. So I've swatched all the colors, and I cured each color for 30 seconds, and all of these are just 1 coat. If you are interested in purchasing any Madam Glam gel polishes, I do have a 30% off discount code, which is KEY30. So if you guys do want to add some of these colors to your collection, make sure to use that discount code to save some money off. So to get into this nail set, I do have some base coat gel from Madam Glam as well, and I went ahead and added my peel off base, and I put a layer of this base coat gel on my nails and cured for 30 seconds. And I am going to be using some full cover nail tips from Enailcoutoure, and these are the X-Cream Square. I'm just applying these with the Après Dupe method. I'm just adding some base coat gel inside the nail tip, starting from the cuticle area, pressing it down to the free edge of my nail and holding it inside the light for about 15 seconds. And then once I finish applying all of these, I'm going back in the light for another 30 to 60 seconds. And these are how the nails look once I have applied all of them to my nails. So I'm going in with these little French tip tape guides, and I barely use these because I can never get them on straight, but I went ahead and tried to use them for this video. So I'm just going to take them off with my tweezers and just try to align it as straight as I can, and then once I feel like it's straight, I'm just going to go ahead and press the rest of the tape down. And I'm also going to repeat that for my middle finger as well. For the look I wanted, I need a natural nail bed color, but I don't have one in my Madam Glam collection. So I'm taking this from Nail Addict, and I'm going to be painting the top of the nail for my nail bed color. And usually when you use French tip tape guides, you go in and paint the bottom, but since I'm not that good at freestyling my smile line, I just went ahead and used this. So I'm just going to go over with a thin layer of that, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go over with another layer. But before I cure the second layer, I'm going to remove the tape so that it's not hard to get up. So once I have cured that second coat, this is how that smile line is looking, and it's looking pretty good because I'm going to go in with some colors, so it doesn't really matter if it's not perfect. So I'm just going to be taking all of the colors that I received in the package because I feel like all of these colors go so well together. And then I also have this bright Barbie pink also from Madam Glam. I decided to add that into the colors, so I put those colors on my nail palette, and I'm taking this nail art brush and I'm starting with the red. I'm just putting that in the creases of the smile line. The further I go down the nail, I will eventually go all the way across the nail. I'm just going to be layering these in a row. I'm not curing these as I go either because I will go in and do more to these colors once I have finished the last color. So once I added the last color, which is that pink, I went back over the blue because I didn't fill it in enough. But once I finished doing that, I'm going to be taking this line brush. First I dip it into some alcohol just to get the brush kind of wet, and then I'm going to be making lines all the way down the nail without wiping off my brush, and this just gives those colors kind of like a tie-dye effect. And this is how the nail is looking so far. So I decided to go in the opposite direction as well, so I'm just going upwards just like I did going down. And then once I finish doing this part, I just make sure that I clean up that smile line and wipe the sides before I go into cure. Once I had that cure, I'm just going to repeat that same process on my middle finger, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this process. And then after being cured, this is what both of the nails look like so far. At first I wasn't sure if I was feeling these, but I just went ahead and continued doing these nails. So I didn't have anything planned for these nails. I just took out the gel polishes and started doing it. So for this nail, I'm taking that blue that I like so much, and I'm just putting some of that on my nail bed, and then I'm adding some pink in the middle. And I'm not curing these, I'm just going in with these colors. And then for that last color, I'm just adding some of that neon yellow, which is Limoncello. I'm just adding that at the tip. And then taking this fan brush, once I added the colors, I thought about how you can ombre gel polishes, but the ombre never really works out for me. So I'm just patting those colors into each other, kind of blending it. I'm just kind of smudging those into each other. And once I was done with this nail, I actually like how it turned out, because since it's not like a smooth ombre transition, I kind of like how it tied into like that tie-dye effect, which goes perfectly with my index and middle fingers. So I like that design. So I just make sure that I clean up these sides and cure those, and then I'm just going to be repeating that step over the rest of the nails, except I'm switching the colors up and making different patterns. So I'm just going to be doing that for the rest of the nails. So once I cured my last nail, I'm just taking these rhinestones that I have. I'm taking a bigger size one and some small, and then I'm taking the top coat from Madam Glam, and firstly I'm going over the entire nail of my index and ring finger, because the last time I used these, I realized that these aren't no wipes. So I'm just going to top coat the entire nail and then wipe off the tacky layer before I go in with my rhinestones, just so that I won't have to like try to get around the rhinestones and like wipe off that tacky layer with the rhinestones on. So I'm just doing it this way, and then I'm adding a little bit of top coat where I want the rhinestones to be. I'm just placing a big one right at the point, and then some smaller ones spaced out going along the smile line. And then I'm also going to do this for the ring finger as well. And then after I had those cured on, I'm just going to be top coating the rest of the nails. After I top coated all of the nails and removed the tacky layer, I realized that my cuticle area was like a little bit messy, so I went in with some rhinestones along the cuticle area, added my cuticle oil, and this is how the nails turn out. At first I wasn't sure about these nails, but I'm glad that I continued to finish them because I ended up loving how these turn out. These colors are so nice and bright for the summertime. If you are interested in the Madam Glam gel polishes or their new neon summer collection, I will make sure that I leave the website down below and also my discount code, which would save you 30% off your order. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and as always, if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.